Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking direct control. Pull down Quick Settings and adjust the brightness slider right now. Don't wait. Once done, go to Settings right arrow display and toggle off Adaptive or Auto Brightness so the phone stops adjusting itself. Make sure any battery saver or power mode is off because those modes force dimming to save power. Doing these three actions first removes software overrides and often fixes perceived brightness issues immediately, so you can see the real screen output before deeper steps. Next, dig into display options that subtly lower screen output. Open Display right arrow night light or blue light filter and turn it off or adjust its schedule because warm filters can look dim. Then check advanced settings like adaptive display, color profile, or contrast enhancement. Switch profiles to see changes. Test the brightness in multiple apps and the home screen so you rule out app-specific dimming. Once done, also disable any scheduled dark mode, which can reduce perceived brightness in some systems. To finish, restart the phone to clear temporary glitches and reset the ambient light sensor. Many brightness bugs vanish after a reboot. Make sure your OS and display drivers are up to date in Settings right arrow system, right arrow update, and only consider a factory reset if nothing else works. If brightness still acts wrong, clean the front sensor area with a soft cloth and boot into safe mode to check for third-party app interference. If safe mode fixes it, uninstall recent apps until the issue disappears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.